Phantom Wallet has been making waves in the crypto community, especially for Solana users, but is it really the best wallet out there? Today we're diving into the features, usability, and some concerns you might want to consider before choosing Phantom as your go-to wallet. Phantom Wallet is a non-custodial wallet designed specifically for the Solana blockchain, which means you have full control over your private keys. One of the first things you'll notice is its sleek, user-friendly interface. Whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or a newcomer, the wallet offers a straightforward experience for managing your assets. With features like built-in swapping, staking, and NFT support, it positions itself as a comprehensive solution for all things Solana. However, while the core functionality is solid, there are areas that feel a bit lacking. For instance, the wallet primarily focuses on Solana, so if you're looking to manage assets across multiple blockchains, you might want to look elsewhere. Also, while the wallet has a browser extension and mobile app, the integration with dApps can sometimes be hit or miss, leaving users feeling a bit frustrated. When it comes to pros, Phantom Wallet shines with its intuitive design and excellent support for Solana-based tokens and NFTs. The staking feature is particularly attractive for users looking to earn passive income. However, on the downside, the wallet does have some limitations. Its focus on Solana means other assets are unsupported, which could be a deal breaker for users with diverse portfolios. There are also concerns regarding the wallet's security protocols. While it's generally considered safe, the fact that it's a hot wallet connected to the internet does raise some eyebrows. Users should weigh this risk carefully, especially if they plan to hold significant amounts of cryptocurrency. Overall, Phantom Wallet may not suit everyone, but it could be a great fit for those deep into the Solana ecosystem. In conclusion, Phantom Wallet is a solid choice for anyone heavily invested in Solana, thanks to its user-friendly design and key features like staking and NFT support. However, if you're looking for a multi-chain wallet or have concerns about security, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying, but proceed with caution.